This course teaches freehand, grid method, realism using pencil and hyper-realism using charcoal. Freehand is drawing a portrait from life or from photo without the use of grid, just through visual measurement. So freehand is taught in this course. But before that, everything from the basic, like the structure of all the facial features, eyes, nose, ears, face construction, and all the basics of portrait are taught in the course. I use a special technique to achieve resemblance. Please check my portraits in my channel and you will find 85 to 90% resemblance in my portraits. My technique is taught in the course. After this course, if someone is sitting in front of you and posing for you, you will be able to draw that person with confidence. Grid method is drawing a portrait with the use of grid or box method. After learning the grid method, you can take commission portraits. You can create a business for yourself. If any of your friends or family members request for a portrait with you, you can take the order, do the service for an amount of ₹1,000 or ₹2,000 or even more, depending on the quality of your work. Realistic pencil portrait. I have taught in this course how to achieve artistic realism. I am not speaking about copying everything from a photo on your drawing sheet inch by inch. I am speaking about portrait study, which means you should know about values, tonal sphere, and light theory, and only then you can achieve artistic realism. All of these are taught in detail in this course. Hyperrealism is easily possible using charcoal. I've taught in this course how to use charcoal to achieve the hyper-realistic effect every artist is craving for. The tricky part is charcoal could be very messy and it could ruin your portrait. I've taught in this course how to handle charcoal carefully in a portrait. Format of the course. All of these are pre-recorded videos, so you can watch and learn the course at your convenient time. You can watch it on your mobile, tab, laptop or desktop. You have doubt clarification facility too, so you can get all your doubts clarified via mail. This course is 27 hours of teaching and 23 hours of demo. 27 hours of teaching is divided into 70 plus simple chapters. The course is designed for the beginners and intermediate learners, so beginners do not have to worry at all. You're in safe hands. This course is suitable for 11 plus year kids and any adult. You can join the course in my site ramyasadasivam.com/courses/portrait. As soon as you purchase the course, you will be enrolled in the course and you can start learning immediately. Thank you.